Top 4 Rotary Hammers. 1. DeWalt DCH273B, 20 volts max power, SDS Rotary Hammer for concrete, comfortable design for long-term use. 2. Makita XRH01Z, 18 volts LXD power, anti-vibration technology for user comfort, versatile with torque limiting clutch and 3 modes. 3. Bosch GBH18V28CN, 18 volts power with low vibration, customizable settings for precision, safety features like kickback control. 4. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 241621XC, compact 12-volt design, long-lasting battery with red lithium technology, integrated LED light for visibility. Visit the link in the description for more details.